back to the sewing room. It is Friday. I have a Peep to say thank you for some coffees for. So Brie bought me a couple of coffees. Thank you very much, much appreciated. I am down here to film a lookbook, but it's not a look what I've made this month lookbook because you've just seen that one. It's a capsule collection. There's 20 pieces including the accessories, 2 belts, 3 pairs of shoes, and then 15 pieces of clothing. I think 3 of which are ready to, no, 4 are ready to wear, and then the other 11 are things that I've made, and I think that they're all going to go together. So it was supposed to be this evening's video, but Mum has been sewing this morning. She's getting some t-shirts done, and we agreed that I could have the sewing room at 1 o'clock, and so I came down at 1 o'clock and chucked her out. Thinking about it, the actual filming process for this is going to be a lot longer than, say, an hour. So I'm thinking you're going to get this waffle this evening, and then hopefully this lookbook tomorrow, and you guys will have to let me know what you think about it, because I quite enjoyed the kind of like concept of putting it all together. I'm not sure I'm going to enjoy the filming process of it, especially because some of the jumpers are quite tight and I've got my hair up, and I think I'm going to have to end up redoing my hair quite a few times, but never mind. But I think it's going to be interesting. It's going to be one of those ones. It's Cobra Corsage is the main kind of piece, the mulberry Cobra Corsage, and I've got 3 pieces made from that one print, and then the rest of it is stuff that I've pulled from my wardrobe that will go with it. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a try. I'm also thinking about jumping on the shorts bandwagon with get ready with me's, like a little outfit of the day videos in the morning, because one of the questions I get asked so often is, do you wear everything that you make? And the answer is yes, I do. There are some things that I make that maybe aren't the best idea and didn't go according to plan and probably don't get worn as often as other pieces, but there are some things that I make that I absolutely love and wear frequently. So I thought it might be interesting to do like a little outfit of the day, get ready with me in the morning, put that up as a short, and then possibly do a review every 2 weeks or so of like, I put this outfit on and I really liked it, or I put this outfit on and I didn't like this, and give you the reasons why. Because like analysing your style and the kind of clothes that you enjoy wearing leads to theoretically more successful sewing, because the more you hone in on the thing that you enjoy wearing, the more you can then make of that thing to enjoy wearing. So I don't know, you'll have to let me know in the comment section down below what you think and if you'd be interested, because a lot of my favorite creators are putting out shorts now. YouTube have monetized them, so you know there is an incentive for us to do that. The algorithm is showing shorts to a much wider audience that I might not necessarily get shown to otherwise. So for me, I think it's going to be a good thing. I enjoy the get ready with me ones. Some of the shorts that have been coming out, not so much, but yeah, we'll have to, again, you'll have to let me know what you think of the idea ahead of time, and then in a couple of weeks time what you think of the actual execution of it, whether you are enjoying them or not. I know there is a way to turn off shorts if it's not your thing and you really don't want to see them, so yeah, I might explore that option, so I can just let people know as well that you can turn it all off if you don't want to see it. Yeah, I better get on and get some filming done. Dad is currently moving the back gate. It was at the back part of our house and he's moving it to the front part of the house to give us a large area that is screened off and private, that is going to be for kind of like a potting shed, like messy gardening, you know, like all those kinds of bits. I think he might even maybe be putting like a carport type roof over it so that it's got, but I'm not 100% sure. But if there's drilling in the background, that is what that is. Like I say, I'm equal parts really looking forward to this and actually dreading it at the same time. Getting it changed that many times is always a little bit flustering, as like I say, especially with the tight tops, but we shall see. It could be fun, and I might discover some new outfits that I hadn't even thought of, because I'm going to try and put as many things like that one piece together with as many other pieces as possible. We'll see. We shall see. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling at you and get started, and then I'll probably be back in a little bit, because like I say, I don't think I've got enough time to film it all to get it up for this evening, so you're going to see this instead. So I hope you don't mind. The other thing as well, you probably noticed there's been a couple of well, there hasn't been any daily-ish waffles for a while. Again, I have been filming stuff and just boring myself. A lot of the stuff that I've been filming recently has been for like the Friday and Saturday videos, so they have literally been like me saying hello in the morning and good evening at night, and then nothing in between, because all of that footage is going into the proper videos, as it were. I have got this little bit that I filmed when I got some happy mail from Ali, so I'll stick that in now. Hey peeps, happy Friday, welcome back to the sewing room. I have some happy mail to share with you. So the very lovely Ali has sent me a lovely parcel of geeky goodness. First off, Ali is also a paper crafter, so she's made this card and it's absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much. It's beautiful, thank you. And then she's also sent me some amazing zips. So they are both the size 5 and the size 3 zips in white and black rainbow coils with the most awesome, I hope that's focusing, there we go, focusing on the frog, the most awesome zipper pulls ever. They are adorable. Thank you so much. And as I say, I've got a black set and a white set of the size 5 and the size 3 zipper teeth, and like loads of it as well. I mean, they're just absolutely beautiful. They're really lovely, thank you. And then she also mentioned during one of the hangouts, and thank you for sending it in Royal Mail as well, I know it cost you more money to do it that way. It's very weird that every won't allow you to put in a house name, strange. But she sent me some amazing fabric. So it was all wrapped up in this Beetlejuice fabric, which is rather awesome. A little bit of Michael Keaton there in his Beetlejuice suit. So this is going straight into the bag making stash. And then she's also sent me these ginormous geeky panels of epicness. Now let's get them the right way up. I have absolutely no idea what to do with them. They are huge, absolutely huge. And it's like, help me Obi-Wan Kenobi, you're my only hope, Princess Leia. And there's 4 of them. They're amazing. I genuinely don't know what to do with them though. They are Lucasfilms, not intended for children's sleepwear. Yeah, they are absolutely amazing, but I genuinely have no idea what to do with them. So these are going to probably go in the bag making or quilt stash for now. I wonder if my niece would want a layer bedspread. Yeah, I have no idea what to do with these, Ali. What have you done with yours? I mean, they are so cool, but what do you do with them? What do you do with them? But thank you so much. That was very kind of you. It was lovely to have some happy mail this morning, so thank you. That was really kind of you. And thank you very much to Ali for sending me those. I am giving away 2 of the panels to friends. I am giving away one of the panels in a giveaway that I'm going to do soon, and I'm keeping one for myself to make a lap quilt with. We talked about it in one of the hangouts, and that was kind of like the consensus of the best thing to do with such a gigantic panel. Lots of people were saying clothes, but I just know I wouldn't wear it as clothes. I think a lap quilt with other geeky stuff added in is going to be awesome. There is also a blue bottle in here. If you can hear buzzing in the background, I am sorry. I probably need to chase it out. But yes, I've just been having a little bit of a crisis of confidence with my vlogs recently. I've also noticed this looks really dirty. This is from dyeing my hair in this robe. Dyeing my hair black in a white robe was a really clever idea, by the way. This is clean, apart from the makeup that I was trying to put on this morning. I will wash it. But yeah, I've been having a little bit of a crisis of confidence with the vlogs, just feeling like they're not that interesting and slightly boring. And I know this isn't like a plea for like pat on the back and oh my gosh. I mean, I know you guys enjoy them when I put them out. I know there's a core group of you who love them, and I'm not stopping them completely, but I don't want to just force them and stick them on for the sake of having something on when I don't think they're that interesting. So I'm gonna try, I'm tweaking a few things around here, as you will have noticed from this waffle. So fingers crossed there will be stuff that you enjoy, and there will be some waffles at some points, and proper videos and shorts and outfits of the day and all those kinds of things. So yeah, fingers crossed there will be something that you enjoy. Anyway, enough, that's 7.5 minutes of waffle. So I'm gonna shut up, get on with some filming, and I'll be back in a little bit. Of different colours. James. Dad is building fences. The knee-high. Yeah. Well, okay, I can't do it this time. Oh dear. Okay, Dad, as I've mentioned, is drilling and moving the fence, and trying to make this video this way is not going to work. So, because I'm trying to talk through each outfit as I put it on. The other side of things is that's going to end up being like an hour long. So what I think I'm going to do is film a twirl, a quick twirl of each outfit with each item on and then do a talky bit over it later. So I think I'm just going to film the clothes because trying to talk between all that is really difficult. So yeah, I think I'm just going to film all the twirls, and then I will film the talky chatty bit voiceover a little bit later this evening when Dad has finished. I think that's probably going to be the best way to do this. Having said all that, I think I am going to call it quits on today's vlog and waffle and get that edited and uploaded for you guys so that you can watch that this evening, and then this lookbook should be coming out to you tomorrow. So I think let's get that done now. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the very little bit of waffle that I've done. Fingers crossed there will be more interesting things happening over the next couple of days so that I can bring you some more interesting daily-ish waffles in the future. Anyway, I shall see you all tomorrow for, fingers crossed, the lookbook, if I haven't pulled my own hair out by actually having to put all these different things on. Bye!